In this video, we will discuss about the stocks to watch for the month of June as well as for the coming week. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, we'll discuss one stock, Amara Raja Battery, which has seen in the recent days a very sharp decline. Okay, so you can see the stock is coming down from this peak. Continuously it has come down. Okay, so somewhere here it has tried to take the support. Okay, so let's understand why it is trying to take the support in this level. Okay, so for that we have to just check the history. Okay, so you can see here there was huge consolidation. After the consolidation, the stock tried to break out, but the breakout could not sustain. But then again there was sharp fall. After the sharp fall, here we can see strong buying which has happened. After this buying, the stock has continuously rallied, say from this low point, this continuous rally. After this again peak, the stock has corrected now. Okay, now as always I say, once the stock comes down to the buying range after the peak, then that is an opportunity to accumulate. Okay, so we should not fear to buy this fall. We should consider this as an opportunity. As indicated, if I mark this as the buying range, because this is the origin which I indicated earlier, from here there has strong buying happened. Let's see whether the stock is reacting from the same level. So you can see the stock is trying to take the support near the same level. Okay, so this is the bottom, this is the peak, again this is the bottom. Okay, now we can say this is double bottom or any other way. Now the stock it is trying to go upside now. It is trying to go upside. So you can see this EMA 20 line. Those who understand EMA 20 line, it may act like some resistance for this. It may act like some resistance for this. But looking at the buying which has come from this strong support level, it may break and it may try to go up. It may try to go. So where this stock may face resistance, so that we will check in the weekly time frame. Okay. So before that, if you see, the stock is in a quite good range. So if I draw the trend line, this is the trend line. Wait. So see this. I am not good at drawing trend lines, but you can see that it is in the tight range. Okay, it is in a very tight range. So as far as the stock is concerned, the chances are that it will break out on the higher side, because from the lower side there is a strong base. From the strong base it has taken support. Okay, now it is trying to move up. Okay, yes. So from the daily time frame, clearly it is visible that this EMA 20 line may hold it for some time. Okay, then let us look into the weekly chart. So weekly chart, this point may act like some resistance from the weekly time frame. So 821 is one of the resistance for this stock from the weekly time frame, as well as this can act as resistance like 800. Okay, the stock is ready to touch 800 very soon. From 800 to 820, if it crosses above 800 level, the stock is ready to go up to 820 level as well. Okay, so this can happen in the coming week itself. That is what the chart structure is trying to say. Okay, yes. So you can see here, this is one of the resistance point, 800 level. After that 820, where we have EMA 20 line resistance in the weekly time frame. Okay, but the stock in the coming month, it can give you very good levels for the entire month. For the entire month, like it may even go to 980 level as well. This is like very huge target, but looking at the chart structure and the pattern what it has made, it is possible that in the month of June, July or August it can go to 980 level as well. Okay, so you should not like consider that this is a stock is continuously falling, but instead we should consider this as an opportunity to accumulate this stock in any of the dip. So if you want to seriously accumulate this stock, the stop loss, ideal stop loss is 690 level. 690 level. Okay. Yes. And there is one more stock, APL Limited. So this stock is continuously consolidating in a very tight range. You can see this. This is the tight range in which the stock is stuck. Okay. So you can see there is a trend line. It is like almost reacting to this trend line point many points. Sometimes it has tried to break out, but the breakout did not succeed. So again, if you see this line, one more trend line on the horizontal side, it has formed a strong base here. If I check the value, it is around 938. Okay, it is around 938 to 940. There is a strong base for this stock. Okay, so those who want to buy this stock, you can buy it in all dips, but make sure that you keep your stop loss near 900 level. Okay, 900 level is the ideal stop loss. So buy it in every dip. Why you have to buy it in every dip? Because the consolidation and the base which has formed, it indicates the stock can give breakout on the higher side. So once the stock gives you breakout on the higher side, the targets can be very good. I am expecting an initial target of 1080 level. 1080 to 1090 is my initial target. It may come in the month of June or it may come in the month of July, but as far as I am concerned, the target can be achieved in very quick time, looking at the consolidation. Okay, and if I go to weekly time frame, so weekly time frame also, this EMI 20 line is trying to hold it, but again eventually that will, like, it may definitely break out and it will give us the targets of 1090. That is what we can see from daily time frame and weekly time frame as well. Okay, so this is the huge consolidation in this APL Limited stock. So I think this will give a good move in the coming days, maybe in the coming week or in the month also. Then there is one more stock, Biocon. Okay, so those who are fans of trendline, you can see a very neat trend line support in this range. Okay, 1.23345. Then again here you can see, if I delete this line, you can see that here also there is a trend line which is respecting, say here many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, many times. So this has also, like, almost the price is about to break out or break down in either level. Okay, but looking at this consolidation, looking at this huge consolidation in this range, so here we can consider there is a strong base here. Okay, in the range of 370 to 380, it has formed a strong base. Now the stock is ready to move upside. That is what I feel from the picture. So where it can go and stop. So if you go to weekly time frame, you will get a clear idea that where it can go and stop. So that can be our first target. So that, like, 398, almost 400 level, that is the first target. Okay, 400 level is the first target. Second target is near 412. Okay, then once it hits this target, it may spend some time consolidate, but again after it closes above this 423 level, so here is the level where the stock may face some resistance or may some consolidate for some time. Once it gives closing above 423 or 425 level, the stock is ready to go to the target of 456 as well. Okay, so this is from the weekly time frame we are able to get these targets. So this is one more stock, Biocon. Okay, so you can see in the weekly time frame a very good consolidation. So consolidation may break out on the upside or downside. chances are that it may break out on the upside. Next we have one more stock, Indus Tower. This can perform in the coming week. Definitely this can perform in the coming week, because you can see these points will be acting like resistance from so many days, but this on last Friday, it has given comfortable closing above this range. Now this is a range breakout. So if it is a range breakout, we need to check volume as well. So let's check volume, because we need to have some significant change in the volumes. Then only we will be sure. Otherwise, like, we need to wait if we do not have sufficient volumes. Okay. So I think the volumes are building up compared to these volumes. The volumes are slightly bigger. But again, we need to check on Monday or Friday based on price action and based on the volumes which we see in the stock. We can say that whether the stock is going to give good breakout or no. As of now, it is not a good confirmation, but still there is some significant rise in the volume. Okay, price is also increasing and the volumes are also good. So let's say if it breaks out, so you can see the stock is in a very tight range from the weekly chart. Once it starts moving upside, so it has to close above this. It has to close above this for a good breakout. Okay, so once it starts moving upside, first target will be 271. Okay, then it can give you the targets of 330 level, 320 level, once it closes about 270. Okay, so again I will go back to daily time frame and just look at the structure again. Yes, so we need to have some confirmation from the volume side that we can see on Monday. Okay, yes, I think the stock is ready to go up based on this range breakout, but volumes are not so much strong. So if you want to accumulate this stock, you can accumulate with a stop loss of 235. So try to buy this stock in every dip. For in the coming days, the first target will be 268. Okay, above closing above 271, it can give you the targets of 296. Okay, which is a peak here. After that, it can give you targets of 320 as well. Okay, so looking at the structure, high possibility that it can move upside. Okay, so you can see the stock has consolidated too much. So once the stock consolidates too much, you can see this consolidation. The move which may come is also very big. Okay, yes. So these are the stocks which we can track in the coming week or in the coming month. And one more thing, this whatever information I am sharing, whatever technical view I am sharing, this is only for educational purpose. Okay, you do research, do your own research. Okay, if at all, if it is helping you any way, you can just like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if there is any suggestion from your side or anything you want to share, you can definitely comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.